Hi guys, this is Matthias Koehler from Austria. I've got some spiral vibes for you, spiral patterns. What is this? You see the green screen now, what it's about. The spiral shape patterns that I found when I was experimenting with art with the special material of Colophony. This here's the raw form, or also called pinerosin. The solidified essence after steam distillation of the blood of the trees, of the pine trees, of conifer trees in the most cases. So what happened, I did some experiments and experimental art I would call it, wanted to use that material, heated it up, stove temperature 80, 90 to 100 degrees, and took a metal case, laid in a little piece of art and poured it over it, and then thought maybe it hardens out faster when I put it just in the fridge. So I took the whole thing with a metal case and put it in the fridge, came back after a few minutes later. I found these structures like maelstrom spirals. They were everything this in splitters, in fragments, broken, or when after cooling down, this everywhere on the whole surface there I found these spiral structures. Yeah, so this was kind of new to me, so I wondered about this. Is this now a phenomenon? What is this now? I thought. So also I thought it really looks great, so I can use it in several ways. And I also question what does this mean, or could it something mean? Because I know in also microscopic view we have this structure, the spiral a structure, for example, just in galaxies or in molecules or other materials and all kind of things. So maybe this can express something or could tell us something. So this was the start that I took samples and experiments and took, in the most cases, like you see in the videos, a kind of drops, flattened drops of colophony, took molten colophony, pinerosin, and dropped it on a glass, on a cover glass, and took another cover glass and flattened this drop. So this is about approximately 1 or 2 millimeters high, and I took always, or in the most cases, 3 of one kind of one amount of colophony, and took that behind and to a sample, an influence or an element, an object or plants. I started with wild plants or with water qualities, and there this little spiral structures also came up in microscopic view, like you see in the photos, in the videos of the hardening with the plants, the water qualities. I also took rings for that, so lenses, also between two glasses, the colophony, and always the same amount and same high, and in the most cases 3, because when I have 3 I can see more. If I have just one probe or one sample, one medium of colophony shown to an influence, then it means nothing. If you take 3 or several of that, 3 up to 9, then you can really see a difference. So I want to see the difference, and there I came to the point that when I have 3 drops of colophony or 3 lenses of colophony or medium with colophony, whatever, on glass or within glass, then I saw that the pattern, that the same, nearly the same pattern was produced in 2 of 3 cases. So that not 100% though, at the majority it was the same, nearly the same pattern produced by showing it at the same time, at the same point, to the same influence 3 times or several times or up to 9 times even, and always the same. At the majority 2 or 3 times that medium were nearly the same. So what should it mean? Can it be useful? Should we invest? And so I went on doing more experiences of that with water qualities, white plants, with a crystal stones, a fruits, vegetables, seeds, nearly every kind of things you can do a show. So what does this show to us? What does this spiral pattern mean? Is it useful? Is it not useful? There are a lot of analysis, scientifically measurement techniques. So maybe together with out of more perspective and more techniques and analysis, it can tell us maybe more. It can be of use. So not just that, I did not find just these patterns. I used these patterns within artworks of mine. So if you want to support on the one hand my scientifically experiments showing more to you and kind of research in naturally scientific way, also with my mindset to this topic, because I'm doing these experiments because I think this is a special essence that both in art used and for experiments alike are or could be important, not just an interesting pattern. It is something maybe that shows or reflects a quality of the objects, maybe an energy quality, because everything, I believe, everything is energy. So there is a quality of energy that is maybe reflected through these experiments, drops, and lenses. So that is expressing within patterns. Nature is expressing with patterns itself, and maybe it is a phenomenon. I don't know. I found it. So if you like this, if you want to support it, share my channel or follow my work. There will be coming up soon more experiments like this, if we get a little work to develop it and do more and better of it, and unite with more scientifically oriented or working people that are interested in this little phenomenon, I would call it. And also, if you're interested in design and artwork, by the way, you can find at my YouTube channel both Alchemist channel, art in time lapse, and if you want detailed stuff and videos, because this is a wholly new kind of art, a new art form with that material, new art form and design. So if you want to do your own artworks and design with Colophony pouring, with pine tree rosin, then I explain it to you at Patreon Zone for little money, at Patreon Zone, and also at OnlyFans. There you have the how-to tutorial-like videos about just design and art. And if you want to share my work or the channel, I would be really glad if you like these videos and support my work and spread it. So welcome to Alchemist, guys. Welcome to my channel, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video next time with more videos and art and experiments, of course. Have a nice day.